You don't forgot.
Pata pata.
You don't forgot.
Pata pata.
Biruru, pero.
Ah.
Hurry. Hey, aye. Biruru, pero.
Ah.
Football is a game, and also known as a soccer, which involves two teams.
Exactly.
It's a game that involves two teams of 11 players each.
In football, we know so we get a body where they govern football, which then they call FIFA. If I remember vividly, I know say they started in 1904.
Yes.
But football generally, it dwelled for Europe.
Yes. The teams that plays the Premier
For the
League.
English Premier League, yes. How many of the
20
teams?
teams.
20 teams.
So, as a matter of fact, the big games in the Premier League, like their classical match, is Liverpool Man United.